believe we are licensed to serve. That our primary job for media houses is to serve the communities that we live in. And as a radio station, when we heard the news that Cyclone Idai was coming, we started putting out alerts. I think Diamond FM started this as far back as Tuesday before it came. And then we instructed our CSR teams to put out adverts warning people that Cyclone Idai is coming, this is the action that you need to take. And then when it eventually hit us, we then started talking about what do we do to help those who are vulnerable. So radio was at the forefront, and thank you, Minister July Moyo, for acknowledging the work that has been done by radio. We were fighting for a license to broadcast from Chimanimani, and we were granted this by the Broadcasting Authority a couple of months ago, that we could put a repeater station in Chimanimani, and unfortunately we have not done so, but we were already on the ground. Our people were giving us reports of what was going on in Chimanimani long before other rescue teams were in there. So we believe we can play a bigger role, and we are playing our role. And through radio, we've been able to mobilize quite significant support. Some of it has been coming through all our stations, whether in Bulawayo, in Gweru, in Harare, at Star FM, and at Herald House, and then most of it coming here to Manica Post. So we believe we've been able to not just rally our people towards this cause, but we've been able to rally support in terms of understanding of what has hit our country, so that we are all working together. I also understand Minister has to be out of here by 12 o'clock, so it's not to speechify. We have shown you the things that have been collected, and our role is to hand this over to government. And I suppose we'll continue playing our part, either in the reconstruction process that needs to be done, but we will assure you that as a corporate, as Zimpepers, we will certainly look for those bricks or roofing sheets or doors and windows that will begin collectively to rebuild the lives of our people that have been shattered by this. I thank you.